So today's video, we need to make a spur gear that I choose in a model part. So first step is will be sketch and select the right plane and do a circle to the center of origin with the smart dimension of the diameter of will be 32 mm and click the features and extruded base with mid plane and the size will be 15 mm. So check and then do sketch again and click this side and do a circle to the center of origin and dimension it. Diameter will be 10 mm and do next step is will be rectangle. Put a rectangle in our part of the circle. Click a center rectangle and dimension it. Each both side has diameter of 2 mm. So okay, and next step is will be trim the material unwanted proportion and check and click the features and extrude cut and click through all and check. So this is the step. So the next step will be sketch and click this side and do a 2 circle to this big circle. The dimension will be 25 mm and to this circle will be 15 mm. Check and next step is will be click these features and extrude cut and click the blind with the diameter of 3 mm. Check. So we have a size, the shape, and next step will be click this cut extrude, mirror, and to this part, right plane, and check. So we have the same. So normal 2 again, and next step will be sketch. Click this side and do a center line and again line to this direction and with the smart dimension of 0.50 and click this line and to center of origin with a diameter of 13.60 mm. and so on. We need to, next step will be click this 3-point arc, three-point arc, click again. We need to fix it properly. Click, and next step will be smart dimension. 158. The dimension will be 1.58, and to this side this will be 3.28, 3.28, and the size of the arc, the diameter of the arc will be 4.56. So check. The next step will be mirror entities. Need to click this part, again, that fix it, and then mirror, click this, check. Now we have the same side. Next step is 3-point arc again. Click this and this, fix the line, and smart dimension it as the diameter of 18 mm, and check. Now next step will be features, and do extrude cut. So through all, check. Now we have the extrude. So for the next step, this will be click this and click this and linear pattern, circular pattern, and click this side. Click this side and check with the 15 degrees, okay, and 30, correct, and check. So now we are finished. This is the final. Let's fix it. Now we have a finish. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope to subscribe. Thank you.